guys, welcome to another Form Titan video on how to disable two-factor authentication when using SmartV. Now, sometimes there are cases that, you're saying my users don't really need two-factor authentication, their email, their first name and last name would suffice, or any other field and you don't need to put tons of security on there. So you're like, I would still want to use the SmartV, but I don't need the two-factor authentication. Alright, well in this video we'll show you how to disable it. So what we've done so far is we just set up a SmartV which brings back all my data from Salesforce, and I go to log in, put my email, and it's like cool, pretty good, and then it sends me my two-factor authentication code to my email, and I log in. Excuse me, I log in, there it is, 67216 67216. I continue and I can access those details, all good. But what if I wanted to disable my SmartV, disable the two-factor authentication code as well, 2FA. How do we do that? Well, let me show you. So what we're going to do is first we move this over here, and then we'll click our SmartV and say map fields, and then we'll say disable two-factor authentication. And rather now, and you can also remove your Titan secret key if you want, rather what you want now is first name, last name, and email. That's all you need. So we'll give them an order. We'll say 1, we'll say 2, and we'll say 3. And once you've done that, just go ahead and save, and look what happens. Now you don't need two-factor authentication. You just need to type in Joe, blogs, and my email, and just like that I'm logged in. I don't need a code or anything. And there are going to be, off the bat you might be thinking, actually, well, that will never happen. But there could be use cases where all you needed the user to do is just use their first name, last name and email, and off you go. They don't need a code. They could just register, and it could be that you're taking in leads, whatever you want. But that's how you do it. That's how you can set up a SmartV, but also disable two-factor authentication login, and off you go. Thank you for watching this video.